What's up, everybody? This is Ian with UnlockThatPhone.com and UnlockingUniverse.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the all-new Blackberry Bold 9930 or the 9900. Doesn't matter, it's the same phone, it's the same process. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is power up the phone with your new SIM card. And when you do that, chances are you're going to get this nice message. Current SIM card requires an unlock code. Would you like to unlock it? And we're just going to hit no, because it always glitches when you do that. But right after that, you're going to tap the time here. Going to bring down this menu here, and you are going to hit all off. Want to make sure all the connections are off before we do this. So now that I got that off, if you give it a second, and you see in the top corner, off. Cool. This particular phone, you can dial *#06# to get the IMEI. On the 9930, you actually have to go to the options menu. So I'm going to go to options and down to device, and then device status and information, and you will find your IMEI. You can also do that at 9900, however you don't have to. Just a note there. So once you have the IMEI on your phone, head on over to unlockthatphone.com, or you can go to unlockinguniverse.com as well, and you will use our drop-down menus. The first one, the carrier of your phone, and in this case it's Verizon. The next one, the manufacturer, is Blackberry. And the final one is the model. It's either the 9930 for Verizon. It's the 9900 everywhere else worldwide. Again, you can unlock this phone. Doesn't matter which carrier it's from. Any carrier in the world. Use it on any GSM carrier you want. Once you have the code from us, which you will get after you purchase it, you'll see here in an email, unlock code. You'll grab your phone and go back to the options menu. Let me just focus in here for you. Okay. Oh, lost it there. Options, and I am already in device, but I'm going to show you again. You click device, okay, and then scroll it down. I'll use the trackpad here to advanced system settings. Then you go to SIM card. Okay, we're on SIM card. I'm going to show you the keyboard. We're going to type M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, and D as in David. I'm going to do that right now for you. E, P, D. And when done correctly, you'll see here this list of things, the SIM, network, all that kind of stuff. And you see here where it says network active, that means the phone is still locked. And we're going to unlock it now. But also for some carriers, the service provider will be locked. You'll see that is active too. But for the network, it's MEP2, Mary Edward Paul 2. For the service provider, it's MEP4, Mary Edward Paul 4. So in order to get the box that will ask you for the code, you're going to have to hold the Alt key while you type MEP2. Now, it's a little bit difficult with one hand, so just give me a second here. Alt, hold Alt, MEP2, and then when done correctly, you get a box here. Enter network MEP code, 10 left. The 10 is a reference to the number of tries. So I go back to the email here that has the code. It's only 8 digits for the Verizon one. Okay, now we're going to go back down to the phone. And I am just going to punch the numbers in as if I was typing a text message. So the code is, here, I'll get a little bit better angle here. There you go. 4, 4, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, and then you hit the trackpad. Code accepted, and the phone is now unlocked. You see here, network is inactive, so that's good. Now, one more thing here with the 9930. It's a little bit of a trick to it. Actually, I'm going to keep that open. You have to set the phone to GSM mode. It is also a CDMA phone. So if you're in the 9930, at this point, you would just simply go back to the time, use the drop-down menu, and you will get the restore the connections, and you'll be all set. In this particular phone, though, it's a little different. And that is because it is GSM and CDMA. So you go to Options, Networks and Connections, Mobile Network. And you see here where it says network technology, you got to change that to GSM/UMTS. If you're in the US or Canada, you also have to use this next one here and change this to 2G. It will not work on 3G in the United States. Now that that is set, I tap the time and I hit restore connections. And then if I give it a second here, you will see it switch from SOS, and then it will pick up signal on T-Mobile USA on the 9930 from Verizon Wireless. There you go. GSM, Edge, everything's working on it. you can see here now we are running T-Mobile USA on the Blackberry 9930 from Verizon Wireless, or the 9900, doesn't matter. To review, get your IMEI, *#06#, head on over to Unlocking Universe or unlockthatphone.com, get your code, go to the SIM card menu, plug it in, and you are all set with your new 9900 or 9930 unlocked, ready to go anywhere in the world. Thanks again, guys.